Hello everyone, myself Pulkit Saini. You are watching Pulkit.py. So one of my user wants to know how we can execute machine learning programming on a low specs PC. So we always know that we want a high specs PC for a machine for executing a machine learning program. So if you don't have the specs, so how you can run machine learning programs on your PC without having a error or without having a installation or anything. So let's start the video and see how it will work. So guys, what you have to do for installing or for running a machine learning program in your PC. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and search Google Colab. So Google Colab is the technology where you can use any of the program without having a problem or without having any installation or any configuration. So you can check here, there are the data science, machine learning, and more. You can search it here, so you can check there are the guidance or TensorFlow. Without, you don't have to install any of the thing. Most of the modules are installed here. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to sign in here. Now you have to enter a Gmail. I always use my, it is just for the purposes of, okay. So now you can check the, I have logged in. So click on here, new notebook. So now if you want to edit the name of this file, so first of all you can change it here, like example.inpb. So the ID is same as you use the Jupyter browser, so it will the same. You can anything you can write here, like print hello, and you just have to enter, shift and enter. So it will execute the program. The first time you have to execute the program, it will take much time because it will have initializing, installation or anything. So if I see you here that there are the active session that you can check it here on your RAM and browser. So if you also want to download the .py file, you can click on file and download .py. You can check it on your idle browser. It will open as the Py browser. So you can check example.py automatically generated by Collaborate. So you can also check this feature. And if you want to download this browser in a Jupyter form, so you can also download it here by using download.ipynby. And guys, if you want to execute any command, so like I have to install pip install anything I will have to install, like kiwi, click enter. And if you have to execute any command, you just have to write here exclamation mark, and always if you can check control enter. So it was just saying that it will, because like using another spacy, shift enter. Now it was saying requirement already satisfied. So as you can see, spec is already installed in the memory of our program. So you can check it here, and you don't have to configure anything like you have to configure in your another, like you have to install TensorFlow or anything you want to install. So as you can check another, if you just have to write txt equals to hello, and here txt, and let's control enter, it will print as hello. So this is the intelligence of this ID, and it is very good ID. I personally recommended this ID because it provide many features. You can check it. The link is in the description. You can check it there. So there are also many things that you can edit here just by using camera capture code. So you can check there are the predefined code are also here. Camera capture code, you can check it. You can check there is a code in a camera caption. So if we run, let's see what will happen. So the Google wants to know my camera location, so you can check the camera's location is on, so it will capture the video. Okay, so I terminate the program. So and many things that you can here, like import PyDriver, so it will the okay, so I think the program is for anything else. Let's check. Download file and import data from Google Drive. So this is the program for downloading file and importing program from file. There are the many program, you can check it here. JavaScript to Python connection, there is the program for JavaScript to Python, and the another thing is also the best thing that you can check it here, like if you want to create any file, so you just have to create if you want to download any file, you can check it also, like here. Open local system, so here is the program for opening. So here he wants to check if he wants to know the file, so here I create ID and password, so it will print the ID and password. And if we check file is equals to open id password dot txt file print file and file dot close. So you can check the file is present in our format. I have to also define mode in reading mode. You can check the file is present in our folder, and if we want to execute our data, it will have, you can check my previous video, in another video there we will talking about file. So thank you guys, it's enough for this video, and you can go and personally check this browser. It was very perfect browser for the guys who wants to learn machine learning but he don't have a perfect system. So go and check the browser. Thank you guys, have a nice day, see you soon.